Former Senator Tessie Aquino-Oreta has passed away. She was 75. Her son, Malabon Mayor Lenlen-Oreta, announced her death in a Facebook post. Aquino-Oreta was the sister of former Senator and democracy icon Ninoy Aquino. She served as senator from 1998 to 2004. Aquino-Oreta also served as congresswoman for Malabon-Navotas from 1987 to 1998. As a lawmaker, some of the bills Aquino-Oreta authored include the Solo Parent Act, Solid Waste Management Act, Clean Air Act, and the Philippine Science High School System Act.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.